Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the Bo back here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. It's been a minute. It's been a quick minute, but I'm back in another random room. I'm still in Japan. I'm still traveling. I apologize for delaying this video so long, the final part of this series. I'm glad it's finally over now. I hit 5,000 followers and the whole series is done. Time to move on to the next series. This one's finally over. We hit 5,000 followers, boys. Let's go. It's finally growing on its own now. It's hitting explore on its own, so now I don't really have to keep up with it, doing follow for follow and avoid getting action blocks. I've been traveling so much within the past couple of weeks. It's a little hard for me to get adjusted to the schedule. I'm literally in a different house or location, Airbnb, whatever, every like 3 or 4 days, and it's just a little hard getting accustomed to it. It's hard getting Wi-Fi out here. It's hard finding the time. I also messed up my leg snowboarding. I might show a clip right here. But I twisted my leg, I fractured my bone, and then I also tore some ligaments, and I haven't been able to walk for a couple of days. I was walking with crutches and somebody actually stole my crutches in the airport. I went to go to the bathroom, left the crutches outside. I came back and it was gone. I'm like, dude, are you serious, dude? Who takes crutches, man? Especially in Japan. Like, people leave their wallets and phones out on the table while they leave and go to the bathroom, and it's still there, but who would take crutches? I was gone for like 15-30 seconds. I came back and it was gone, and like I had to limp everywhere. I had to go to Korea for 5 days, and like my leg turned purple, and it just wasn't a great time. I had to go back to Nagano in Japan, and now I'm in Tokyo for a couple of days. I have to go to Hawaii in 2 days, and then I'm going back home to Las Vegas in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of traveling. I'm sorry for the slow uploads, but once I'm back in Vegas, I'm gonna be uploading 2 to 3 times a week, just like I was in the beginning. It's been really slow. I've been uploading once a week. Right now I kind of was slacking. It's been 2 weeks since I uploaded the last video, and don't worry, because after this it's gonna go back to the normal schedule. It's kind of funny how when I first started this series, you could follow 100 people per hour, and not even joking, like a week or two after I uploaded that video, Instagram started like cock blocking us, dude. As soon as I uploaded the first video of this series, they started action blocking everyone, and I'm just like, oh my god, dude. I got so many messages. Had to make the action block video. Also, one of the first videos that I made in this series was talking about how you can use a bot, but Instagram totally just cut that out of the equation. Like, you can't even use a bot anymore. You can't use any third-party apps or anything like that. Ever since I made that first video, Instagram's kind of just been not having the best time with meme theme accounts, honestly. It's still very possible to grow an account right now, but they just made it a lot harder ever since I made that video. Like, the first video, the first 3-4 days, I believe, I got to 1,000 followers by following 4,000 people, and there's no way you could possibly do that right now. You can still follow for follow. That's kind of one of the only ways to grow without spending money. It's really slow right now. You could probably only follow like 20 people per hour. If you go more than that, you're gonna get action blocked. So right now it's really hard to judge how many people you can follow per hour, because there's so many different factors. Like, it depends on how big your account is, like how many followers you have, the last time you're action blocked, how many people did you follow in the last 48 hours, 24 hours, how many people did you follow in the last like couple minutes, how many accounts are on the same phone, how many accounts are on the same IP. Like, there's so many different factors, and it's really hard to just put a number on it, because everyone has a different number, to be honest. Like, on one of my accounts I can follow 80 people per hour, and one I can only follow like literally like 19 people, and then I get blocked. I'm gonna be making another video growing an account from private, doing comment for comment, just like self-promoting your accounts, and I'm gonna be going over that in the next video. But it's really weird because Instagram is kind of wishy-washy. They have so many different like test batches or updates. Like, I have 10 different car accounts, but all of them are on different updates, if that makes sense. Like, they're all in different versions. They removed the likes, as you guys know, but I'll show you a picture right here. One of my accounts still has the likes, but all of the other 9 ones don't. So I don't know, it's kind of weird, because like they've kind of tested it in phases. They didn't just get rid of the likes on everyone's pages. They kind of like did it slowly, and we're just testing, I guess, how people felt about it. And one of my accounts still has the likes, so I can still see the views and the likes on the accounts, which is kind of weird. If you get action blocked, you don't want to go back to following the same amount of people. You really have to slow down. If you follow the same amount of people, you're obviously going to get blocked again. Basically, if you get blocked, your account's being watched heavier by Instagram. And I made a video about action blocks, and you guys can watch it up here somewhere. Click the card up above. Let's say you get action blocked for 3 days or something. If you wait for the 3rd day and you get unaction blocked, Don't follow the same amount of people because you're just gonna get blocked again. Usually if you wait, you can follow people, but you want to stay under the limit that you followed to get you blocked. That's why I count every single time that I follow people. And if you get blocked, then the longer you've been unblocked, the more people you can follow. But that doesn't obviously mean that you guys should go wild. You just have to keep it safe. It's better to go slow and steady and keep the gains going instead of just getting action blocked and just not being able to grow at all. Alright guys, so we're about to pick the winner of this video. We're going to copy the link on YouTube, random comment picker, copy, paste. We're going to start and hit random. And let's see. Follow for follow actually works to gain 40 followers in like 5 hours. I'm a small account. Imagine what would happen if I do it every day. Thanks so much, bro. Cock and ball torture memes, by the way. Alright, Riley Ronquillo. We're going to copy and paste your YouTube channel name. So basically there's 3 different videos of these series, so I'm going to pick 3 winners from each of the videos, and then I'm going to do a random number generator and choose the winner from that. So right now we're gonna go on to the second video and pick the next winner. So that was the first winner, and now this is the second winner. When is part 3? Alright. I mean, to be honest, I did say random comment. Alright, nice, Jared. So we're gonna copy and paste your link into the, this is totally random, so I guess we'll add you to the list. And now moving on to the third video, let's copy and paste this one. 174 comments, start, and 1,000 subs without a video. If I would win, I would post every day. Alright, so that was the only person that actually commented what they would do with the account. And now we have all 3 of them. Basically, I'm just going to pick a number 1 through 3. Top one is 1, middle one is 2, and third one is 3. So I'm just going to go to Google right now and pick a number 1 through 3. And whoever wins from this is going to win the account. And yeah, there you go, 1, 2, 3. And minimum 1, maximum 3. And let's see. Oh, okay, cock and ball torture memes won. So Riley Ronquillo, congratulations, man. By the time you're seeing this video, I've already messaged him. I've already given him the account. So congratulations, man. Sorry to everyone that hasn't won, but I appreciate everyone that participated in the giveaway. Also, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was really short and not really informative at all, but I just want to say that everything will go back to normal in the next 2 weeks, and I'm sorry for the lack of uploads, but hope you guys don't mind. Hope you guys still enjoy watching these videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.